Hi, my name is Carrie Ann Brooks, and I am going to review and talk about what I've learned this semester in EDIT 680. My goal starting this class was to, of course, learn something new, but to also walk away with increased knowledge on a new form of technology. Once the class started, I completed a technology survey, and just doing that technology survey, I learned a lot about the school and where I work. I discovered a new form of technology that I have never used before, never seen before, and I got to being immersed in this new type of technology. I've got to see it in action and kind of fell in love with it and what it was able to do. When I was doing my technology survey, it indicated that there was only one document camera in the entire school, which was being used by 4th and 5th grade GT teacher. And so this definitely sparked my interest, and I wanted to know more about this device and why was there only one in our entire building, and two, why was this one teacher using it? What was so special about this form of technology that nobody else had one, and she was not willing to let hers go? She wanted to use it. So I decided to interview her, and then using her interview, after using her interview, I got to spend more time in her classroom. I got to watch her use it. I got to use it. So I first want you to hear from her and why she thinks that a document camera is the best form of technology in her classroom.
I am Tona Cook, and I am the proud possessor of the only document camera here. The document camera, my students say that it is our absolute best friend. Kids who have never worked with a document camera before or had a teacher work with one quickly realize how wonderful they are in the classroom. The best thing about a document camera is you were able to model instruction real time. It's great for visual learners. Have tons of visual learners. The younger the kids are, the better they are with watching a document camera. I can't say enough about this thing. I never realized what a great tool that it was until I gained possession of one. I'm old school. I always loved an overhead projector. Students tell me that they're able to learn better, they're able to grasp concepts more quickly, and that they just really like and appreciate what the camera does for them, because they can look up and understand exactly without me having to go back and ask a million questions. If I had my way, everybody would own one of these because they are wonderful.
I also learned that new technology can be a burden at times. And if the appropriate support's not in place, then that's how technology actually hinders the classroom and the teacher. All stakeholders, not just the teacher, not just the students, not just what's happening in that classroom, but everyone within that building has to be involved and supportive. If the teacher's alone with a new form of technology, it's not going to work. The entire building needs to work together as a team. It does take time for this to occur. During my research and trying to discover what was so special about document camera, I discovered that teachers have to develop a sense of ownership with any type of new technology in order for them to be able to use it effectively. And then once they get a sense of that ownership, then they're willing to want to learn more, and as long as there's that support within the building, then it will be successful. I learned about the different types of technology deficits within a building. If it's the funds or the technology support when something breaks, or the time, the staff development time in order to learn, all of those things are vital in order for new technology to be successful within a classroom. So nearing the end of this course, I now have had the opportunity to reflect on my experience and how technology plays a key role in advancing the academics of students and increases the teacher's instructional abilities. By being a part of this digital age of teaching and learning, it can be both daunting and exciting at the same time.